Hello, my name is Dr. Bushera Choudry and I'm an NHS doctor working in partnership with the Bowel Cancer Screening Programme. This video is to encourage you to take part in the Bowel Cancer Screening Programme. You may have already received a kit through the post and this is what it looks like. The Bowel Cancer Screening Programme is a national NHS campaign to detect bowel cancer before any symptoms appear. This will make it easier to treat and can help save your life. The Bowel Cancer Screening Kit is automatically sent through the post every 2 years, from the age of 60 up to 74 years old. Over the next few years, this age will gradually reduce to 50, so don't worry if you received it earlier. If you are within this age range and have not received your kit, please call 0800 707 6060 and you can request one through the post. If you are over 75 and would like to continue taking part in the Bowel Cancer Screening Programme, you can also request a kit. The Bowel Cancer Screening Kit is completed from the comfort of your own home. It is a simple test and hygienic, and you only need one poo sample to complete the kit. It's important to note that the Bowel Cancer Screening Programme is only for those people who do not have any symptoms relating to their bowel. If you are currently having symptoms that are lasting for more than 3 weeks relating to your bowel, please consult your GP. If you're having symptoms lasting for more than 3 weeks relating to your bowel, please contact your GP. These symptoms include going to the toilet more often than usual, your poos being a lot looser than normal, experiencing bleeding from your back passage, blood in your poo, losing weight without trying, tummy pain or a lump in your tummy, or extreme tiredness. If you have any of these symptoms, please contact your GP as soon as possible. When you have received your bowel cancer screening kit through the post, open the packet and take out the test kit bottle. You'll need to write the date on the test kit bottle of your poo sample. Take the kit and a plastic container to the bathroom. Place the plastic container in the toilet. Do not let the poo touch the toilet water. Once you have done your sample, open the test kit bottle and use the small stick to scrape up and down along the poo sample. You only need a small amount of poo on the stick. Place the stick back in the bottle and make sure that the bottle is closed by checking that it has clicked close. Place the bottle in the prepaid envelope and post it back to the Bowel Cancer Screening Programme. When your sample has been received by the Bowel Cancer Screening Programme, it will be analysed and then you will be telephoned to inform you of your result. If you receive a normal or a negative result, you will be contacted again in 2 years' time to complete the sample again. If you have a positive or an abnormal result, you will be contacted by the Bowel Cancer Screening Programme to arrange a telephone consultation with the nurse. Interpreters are available throughout the process to help you understand when you are speaking to the nurse or the doctor. Completing the Bowel Cancer Screening Kit is very important as it could help save your life and help you get the best possible care from the NHS. If you have any queries or would like further information, you can call 0800 707 6060 for further information or contact your GP. Thank you.